Omorireria bw'ensoko TV nk'okwana kuranda nsi asore asobot kuboiga bwe 15 na gatatu mutinyo gatano na rimwe mwaka bw'echilifu 2025 na rimwe nokwegera kware buna kwagendere bya aserit kurigima asemeremo yagaso kwirigere na kereke mukeri kware gokorana boiga nogendera tukubwatia ensoko TV kuro chinsa 12 cheke mami gwekera boni kana ndiyarigira ensa eyamo yabono botwenga kiyo kwenyora moya asenchira yo bwekiranu unaberega kwariganirwa aserit kurigima amona abasaki baitirkwene kibuna naye kwemanyore aliagendere tinaboiga alia etere na bwega yara chikubwatia ase obotukoboiga tusanga asobwamo wetera senchera yo mutandao wekerera senseme ya Facebook ensoko TV na bwega aseseme ya YouTube ensoko TV na mbema wasiliano ase ujumbe yago enyengeni gere notisano na ibere isano na isato isano nemo isato bwega negendrete gwetansabu ase TV yago ikonabo ogotuma ujumbe yago asalia trachigo sanga asobwamo asobotuko bwabono tuchake kurumu chakano gwikomwerio Eliane Ishmael Mogere. Asomo chakarobo tukobwa bono magega yaba menye bukonye bagotumekwa oboraro bwa magogo kurwa Nyamarambe goikakia ndege imiye wadi ya Kemerense muye bungi ya Kitutu Masabe county ya Nyamira nigo bono bagokerege tambukiro kyomu MC yobo James Matinga kubaroseria oboraro bwekerero bagukwana ekere kionigo konye abamenye abo barekonyorega asienkongo kwambukia abana babo emezigo amonetugo aya nigo bayakwana rero ekero mu MC yoyo atarire obwagachi boboraro bwo boraire insi yomutinyo yomo korwa bono buna omusakyo ito Steven Yarikembonde agotumanya asobwagare
nigo yabeiro mogoko monene hase habamenyi nabaiga batumeki bedarache kubwatania nsemo ya Nyamarambe gochia kiendege ase wodi ya Kemere bunge ya Kitutu Masabe ime ya Nyamira mega yomu MC bororo moske James Matinga ritukoria rero gotware taro yokurotota gati yokwagachwa wedarache yuegendrete kwagachwa goikabono bagukwanekerekyo nigo bereire mechando konyora beteire annemono asokoira abana gochie skuru nabo yogotambuka korwa senseme yu goika asensemo ya kiendege parish
konye to chandegete tokobereka abana tu abambuki gochingumbu kero kende nande ko yature tu acha kobatengera mbaguroche bono rero tuira ne irimbi yamone kyare bagocha kwambuka buka nande bache buya
samarieta nchempita matoke iga ninka etarache korosigo buri mubwane ne tarache yakare tuanyore project ya chakire yetaracha nigo tuanye ko kigwa buna Banyamarambe chikia ndege wetera abana baitu no bagosoma kiendege ntu abanyene ngokore turi biasara by'icyombe no to iticyombe tarachero cha twachibuna karukurutete ngombe rocha na bera abuneke lakini kare project ya chakire taracha nigera etokonye mono
kwa bana mambi twaboiranchi twaboimagoroba asengencha kare mbulere nyinge bana bagotambuka boka wana kare taracha yabeire buna iga yabeire yobokonyo banana na intugo tumishukuru ikiagara twaira rero mugambi wito ngambi yamana
abakorega sigege ino yagansete nebichana byegitongaga iga byokorega siokoboko no muinjinero obasuba baisi
bagukwanekerekyo nigo bagokire getambukiro ky'umu MC yoko baroseri oboraro obwo ase batebire konye nigo bagotumeka ensemo ya magogo hiyukonye ebegetamagima abo asa kongu
ikiagara ekara mache mbure yature nyinge abane bakogoma mbaguchi skuru ekiara sita bakoraki bakwambukira igobona kare muisimigo wa oito James Matinga abere gakorete project ya yanso ya taracheje nigo okirimono n'Abanyamarambe n'abakiende
taracheje ne tokonya magana mange abana baito kwambuka bare gochi skuru tobwate bari sikiende garia tobwate kanisa Nyamarambe iga kare binto bigo chabikwambuka ngora bona tuira ne rinya sawa itonga mbiyamana nande tuira ne ria baisimigu baito mbiyamana
kaine ase East and Central Africa kutwale biti bitano ati one simepire gwako na tukagerete na richo ni chigochaga iga ene bedaracha yamo yabo egotoringi kurukisi county nande tatwale matatisa anda mange ase pachigari weta
engana no munyakonda uyo gendete korosi darache yo ni gene kire bamenyinga ni gedarache yo heraike kwera inse yo mutinyo yomo yenge gocha kobake gotumekwa
samarieta cha radio muro e contractor ye darache ya aria Nyamarambe e kwamboka koru Nyamarambe gochikia ndege twaya kore for 1 month asengenche mbro yarenge nyinga orocherwe Kemere ni goro goichora mono togatware pure kiasi nini asengencha macha beta mange lakini bona igabuna twanya chakete for 3 days ago rero nkonye kora tore konimorera toye 21 days egare tonye kore kiwaring korwaroro tomene ucha kora pack feeding yo korosie para egare echake gweteka
egati ya magendero hanyare ko baga wikirani wa hase wori ya kemera namona
no wono kiende ito sa korwa otemire gotoroserie bilas BICD kiendege bilas bire BICD the proposed nyagitali etete ya beira ali ko functional neche mokiwe ko wango nando nyebekere chi milioni 8 asinge njokorosi nyagitali ya kiendege moke igoro
kero kurigeria mega yane yene daracha irache ko bake okonya abamenyi hanene mono bagutumeka enseme iga kwambuka gorwe enseme yemo wika asensemo ya kiendege igokorosi wa wedaracha iga no mweshimiwa MCA bwe wodi iga ya kamera Moske James Matinga nigokora chiko baguko igora saya iga boikiranu korwa ase ensemo ya Nyamarambe yegotoka ase wodi ya kamera imeye bunge ya Tumasabe imeye county ya Nyamira. Ingo reporteria Nsoko TV, Retera Nyariki Steven, Embonde.
Biamano museketo Steven Nyariki Embonde soko wargani roboti okurase county ya Nyamira. Aso roboti rwabene eikie yega nigotoko sangana bagaka bakoro abo bagatwerera igoro yokuganya koraroro motembe kogendera gutume kwa kugajana ebina ao. Korengana no munyakero gobwe kiombe kia manyagitinge Heritage Council sa George Nyakundi nigaerere igoro ya matonga 3 ayu arenge gutume kokarena bakoro kugajana ebina ritongo lya Oswenta erio amakiaya likoro kugembo ritongo lya Manga na boigo liria gesima na kubwatikana no gochekwe bigambero byekerero nigebine binge bikwira chinga kichinyinge kogayanwa nigono nyanabo ekatiba yanchiranete okoiranirwa kubogayania egentabaga kabairo koboko erio gukora ebina genkyo buna hamuseketu Petwel Machini abakagusangana barabuna kwariganya roboti rokobwati
ine numanyete buna bukare nigo mugusi abwatenchira yokugayana ebina wetero gutumia omotembe asama tonga 3 ayo arengeri tongo lya Osweta elio limanyekanite amakia ya buno gembo litongo lya Manga na boigo liria lya gesima
ekoti yari gucha ne ndegesima ende Manga na boigo kirera buogo lyo kumete isano ne mane ngondi yegetumbe na boigo nkibuna manyeta ya ne cyanga aya nakira
soroboti rwabene eikiga nigotogusangana bagaka bakoro abo bagotwerera igoro ryo kuganya kurarro umutembe kuganira gutume kwa kugayana ebina amakiaya
rero nabatwacha ase ekoti enkoro yogembo kare ntwabwate eyarenge koro kwa litongo lyogembo litongo lya gesima ne litongo lya Manga twachire twanyorera bagaka bamintoga bagaka bisora kabisa bamanyeta mangana arenge gakurukare gase omuchito bwogembo mbatwerere nakiekotie yansete ngiyale kugamba bina kibainyorete twale kugambira rende kurukare na esoko egwo bosibore bwase bina byekigambero egekoro mbanyanjerane gosene tokogenderane gesongo
korengana no manyakirogo bwekyombe kyabagaka bamwanyagitingirite kanzo sa George Nyakundi nigaida irigoro ya matongaya na kubwatikana no gocha kwebigambero byekerero nigebine binge bikoira chinga kichinyinge nigo nonyanabo ekatiba ya ncheranete okoiranirwa kubugaya ni wetera amangana iga bunayo motembe
ntunabasweta lero no torega asedi quarters omotyomo nene wabasweta oyokoro kuogembo no twacha korigereria amang'ana yegekoro gyaito amang'ana yokogayana tikoti karento abwate tikoti ang'eisato gusiengima tiare kogayana amang'ana yebina biribia bia bantu bomogusi ekero bari kogayana ebina ebimbieretwe bikairuna serikali toganza tikoti chekerero lakini ekatiba yaito ya 2010 Section 159(2)C yaire abagaka nabangina egekoro kyabo keirane bagayana amang'ana yebiria bitali binene ebina biri byegenka nebina biria bitali kochikonereria ekatiba yaito
korengana no mugaka kebabentabo omwange nigakunyera buno mwatembo konyete kugaya nekina asumumuro mwabate metakondrie ng'ombe yoboko bwa kwete asibagitwa somo yo na kwira kugayana na asinchirenkia
egisambo wekiya umuro mtubwe utatamoke igari kurukuoru nasoke mwisi kumwaba gasoka oboko bugakwa agataka kwira ni kyombe agachore ng'ombe yemo enene akayiruke yaye akaleta kirikyo cyae tujonzi ng'ombe enene akayiruke yaye igakotinia igawembo akatemo uriyo tebe ng'ombe bamtune yane na moete lero tangene yane ngurete iko cyabwatitu cyaje kamenya wateganya nabo igo no mutembe bakagenda akabo mutembe ase ng'ombe iri bakwamirira noyo utakatabe yaye akabwata mutembe nyandiri kwamanya buyonga sere kanga wakubi bakamirira umumuro yakayegwa uyu nyabulimo akarunera ogoika buyonge nkobeka mwaka kabutasi itukeri uri n'eng'ombe iyo temoiteti bagaka barengo bakamnyuka n'ekindege engenjeri yakare bakamubugiri bingeri agacha moyo akagenda n'eng'ombe yaye pakaka mambi yaye akayekobera omonyene igacha boja
asinkwa nayo mwaka Daniel Changa nabo igoke babentamo nigo bakwerra na goteba buno motembe nigo begetukurierwa eira na gukora okwamerania
omotembo oyo mbora igo begetukurierwa eira igo bareko babuna no kuriera rikiko buna bakoro bakare bare gotebanga onya abantu mokokora emirimo nkwamerani muri leto omotembo oyo no rosiaga mubekense mutambuke boneye ababuna nemuma ama ene mugotambuka omotembo no rosiaga ayo mochio ochire nyakaribera igo bono nga omotembo oyo okabe kubuna nigo okorerwa buna neire kengwansonga onde moko amererania moche iga mwesansore mbiyambaro murie ira mokwane gentugeria kiare ngororo moko amererania onyenkerie kiane buone ndinkore onyekere kiao na inche boyo abantu banyuriere ira matembe na noro na ndo reko bachuo bokano buri bwakare bare kote motembo uri ore kotengia abantu amabina n'ikinyange omotembe ne cyachi yare kotokonya noro na batebia ngore ko bachwa makano ari are gokora kinyangi omotembe noro gusimurwa gorosigu kaboko na gotenga noro urenge ira yigikuru okoreta abantu amo na kio kobekeru buno mochachinga chachi tokonye bono baiko bono bune bitabu byacha bikarusio motembo ugatigera nsemo bono mochachi otigeirwo yogabwa mariko osinyire kuna cheki na ko mwaka 70 osinyire omotembe noro rengo mochachi umukuru oyina twari kuruka omotembo oyo ndaro rengo buya kene asoko ganye kugaya ni bida byukwamirani byoburiania ibona
nanyamakia ya emetembe yachakire kubuturwa na gusira nigo bono abagaka bo bairoko boko okwiranirwa kubagayani obugwetero motembe na kubolia emetembe tiyo kogechwa
ekina napokera iri miaka 5 karenya kabeirigo obwangu bune yaso akotini ngakieria bakoroni kiaera ekindi kiagenderera
ase gusi yaito emetembe yagechirwe emete yarenge emesasa emete yengencho kabisa ingoto yonsi pia elde yagechiru nabamura batamanyeti emete yuninki yabwate so egesaku kyomo gusi lakini nero bono igeri etigarite na buno mugaka kwana emetembe yasokire gwetera abantu buna inje no motembe bono nabande bali baochi kwegerereke gusi bakoleta abagaka amo bachi gosonsora amang'ana aria atutukanire nainde amang'ana ara masinini agwakubuneke biriti omorero bwate ensengima amang'ana ayu natakeire ari miguna abagaka abana bono emetembe tigarete nainde ntogenderete kubarikia gusi engima
kuripotiria Ensoko TV kure kaunti ya Kisii Chepethwel Machin.
Biamono moseket Petul Machin aso kwarigania oroboti rwasense muyende bungenene nigo ya kwaniro muswada w'ichibe sabu mwaka w'echilfu ibere merongo ibere gatano narimo na abwo asebonera chigwa kaboigo ekura yo muswada yo chinga kyo gwatana kana kogenderete kwenekiwa egatia babunge igoro yebango au buna yaenikiwe omubaso orero buna ekubwatia.
The Honorable Chair of the Finance Committee.
Honorable Chair, I beg to move that clause 2 be amended as per the order paper. Honorable Speaker, this particular amendment is seeking to clarify that when it comes to distribution of software, they do not constitute royalties in line with international best practice. Further, this amendment to the definition of withdrawals and winnings is seeking to correct clerical errors and to provide clarity on the definition. The amendment is to specifically exclude money transfer service, Honorable Speaker.
Thank all members. I propose the question that clause 2 be amended as proposed by the Chair of the Finance Committee. I now put the question, members, that clause 2 be amended as proposed by the Chairman of the Finance Committee. Will as another opinion say aye? Will as the opinion say nay? The ayes have it.
It is very interesting that the majority leader can purport that they are doing young Kenyans a favor, while it is indeed them who had put this punitive provision in the finance bill. It is
okay. No, you must allow order. You'll allow that member her time to make a point. Go ahead. Finish your point.
It is unfathomable that he is the one suppressing the young people of Kenya and yet pretending to offer them help.
Chair, as much as this amendment is laudable, I need to ask the chair to expand it beyond what we have been provided here, probably in due time, to include circles and any other schemes that can be registered. But Honorable Speaker, this element of tokenism, and then you say you are doing a favors to Kenyans, this is undermining the intelligence of people of Kenya. This tokenism, if we had not taxed them so highly, housing, they would not be bothered by this tokenism that we are providing here.
Honorable Wandeto, who is a very well-schooled person, said that I'm inciting Kenyans. Whereas all I was seeking to do is to inform Kenyans that it is okay, by the way, to reject this finance bill in its totality. But in the totality of that rejection, it is also important for us to inform Kenyans that there are certain tax reliefs that we are giving to them. Therefore, Honorable Wandeto, I have no business inciting you or inciting Kenyans against you. I want you to tell the people of Mukurweini, of Tetu, where that you represent, those who are tea farmers and coffee farmers, who have no privilege like myself and yourself to be able to access mortgages from big commercial banks like we do. They walk to their microfinance institution in Tetu or in Nyeri town, they access a mortgage facility there. I get a relief on my mortgage, you get a relief. You do not want the villager in your village to get a relief. Why would you be that unfair to your people? Why?
Thank you.
Why would you be that unfair?
Thank you.
Why, Wandeto?
Abaibori nigo bagenderete kurwa birengerero byabo igoro yichimbwa chimbe echichiabere chikorerekana ase kurwa sensemo yabo rokyo bichiskuru anene mono chingaki omorero bere kogosamba chinyomba cy'uburaro ase chiskuru gete bagosanga nabarali arituko lya lero nigo baboriri abaibori babwaterane naborokia amone serikali yonsi erikweni kyobune chimbo cyabana nko bakire chingiya cyamagendero yankyo aya nigo agwikirana chingaki ebikorwa ebyo kurwa ase aborokiwa byaunchokirere nainde koba omosigo morito ase omuibori
inche samarieta ngurukujara darisa mono ba madumena romoti no mon bibitau kebirigo romoti bookshop inche buna romoti naendo mwana siasa okuboria wa msie wa munyamatuta twara abana bagosamba chiskuru twara abana bakokole bintu bisi asinyire e community tware gosabaiga ntu abaibori intu abagambi intu e community mwale gwanja toichamo abali mutubwaterane elinde tokonya abana babaito baetanie ekerengo nainde kurekero kurekero libuya around ye ekera atwa nanchereka ngakina sometu nare kuchini kwa kabogo ngakiri barusetie bibogo ase chisukuru nera yamentangirire mono abana baito baenenire ase eng'encho ebinto bagokora twari gosaba serikali ase ogwancha kwa serikali eyani akabogo karia abana bachonigwa katware rigoso ochonigwa gachonigwa mwana nkuobware
mumanye Livingstone osemabukana rimanyekanete omochigo West Mugirango location gonta itokwana abana ebinto bagokora nabo bagosaria engaki yabo umuntu osatetia matemwera aganyite ngakike bachigokora ngaki bagosaria bagochankana ndi baguchia butamwese mara kabiro mwaka abo bwatasara banye bagwancha tiga bande skuru ko kwande skuru nane gosomara asoma gosoma guka ache gokora matemu ache komokonya omwana karale skuru akagera ngaki masomo ta komokora nyakende lakini ekara gwachire skuru na leo cha kumena gosoma kwa gwasomete kwa bwate engencho kara kwanyorire gas
Aserieta nevan saminga nyairo asa mangana ya salekerete ni saurigoro yebiboko pitalia se skuru na nonya ninga muna baiboli twatigira abana bachire no linya sore basaire kunya sore ine problem ne discipline ya tayo bona se abana bona muno muiboli yere bya na inje manyo mwana one mnako gende skuru ngakiagenda nandi ngakira nakurwe skuru na nesabu
abangina kurwa se chiwadi chensemo ye bunge ya South Mugirango nigo bagokero kwenyurwa amono musubati Rosa Urondo oyo bateganga yokorigia ekerogo kyabasubati ase county ya Kisii obochoro bonene bwo mwaka ogocha bagukwana asege karekemo imensemo ye bunge ya South Mugirango niga bangina bwo egati yabo batakano ba mogosire umurai gwekerogo kyabasubati ase county ya Kisii ekibaterubuna kuruburayi bwa chagatense each county nigo babere bakombiwa asegeka egetambe asensemo ya Rosa Urondo nigo aborira abantu bonsi anene abasaye bwesoke no kubwata chikura irigo chora abarayi babwateganga yogo chiakoreta gosaho chiyogo chiakoreta abana inchi amagendero buna omusakyo ito akama agotumanya asobwime
chinga kitoro chopo chorobo nene bumwako gocha nigabangine gati yabababoraka kurwase bunge ya South Mugirango besoke na korokyo mogoko bomaiga yugo sangege karekyo kyabareta mabuna bangina eke karokyara wa amona Rosa Urondo oyubwateganga yugo chakurigia ekergo kyabasubati ase account ya Kisii
ngani kigimana atebiri omurayo itunga andonsi asoko genda tanga ni Nyasaye motu ekiagera oborai Nyasaye okorwa tanga ni Nyasaye motu na indu muna abakungu abaiga kwarangeri rituko lya rero tokorera asobosi bwa Nyasaye ritukase linde
lero igotwa beli rituko linene ritutana kora linde kuri ubugima bwaitu asenge nchonga lero ga Nyasaye okoriro gwanja omongino minto ochire koria abangina bamwabo iganse iga asabande batana gocha abangina baminto mbyamo na asenge ncho mwangitabire na inche ndigyo ekerokyo bogumanrep byamo na asenge ncho ye support
abangi nabo ningo barorekana ko gose uburayi bw'ikoroge ky'abasubati ase county ya Kisii ikibate babuna kuri uburayi bw'achita ase county iyo ningo babeire bakumbigwa amatuka mange
abakungu ababande baminto buna baburaka ntoko igukoruwale ingafamatibu program nero eyiye kogera abantu abaiga tokorokwa abakungu asaba buraka tole inclusive ngakanga na intu kibese kitwachirorire igotora ababuraka babwata abana timanye tigose bachiete bakaombia abakungu abo bagambire women rep korutwa yetu county ndabonta getera baro baigwerania rero naki mmetukosea tena mmetukosea
korutwa gakete chikure myake yonspi ntwana kora mongino chire gotoligia
boiga sobwamerere bw'ikirego cy'uburayi bwense nigabangina bwamwakera ekokomoske Fredio Kengwatianyi aseganga yari kuchikurwanerera ekirogekyo
nambantianyi ominto neregenete ekerondigerire tiga na koranga kwa ege kiraso mosachoria ominto igonta itoko batengo no morisia nayo bo mudikonesio monene head of dikones
nandi gwetani mono iga South Mugirango no so matiangi no eburi South Mugirango iga abantu baminto tu abatebiri asomo yo bugwancha lero igeko batiga kebe lero matiangi kende na Rosa ominto
nasense ma Rosa Urondo yobwateganga yugochakuriye kerego ky'abasubati ase county ya Kisii nera tatigareti maiga asokomosira Fred Matiang'i.
Bangina baminto momanyete omorayo ito toganyererete president yeito Fred Okengo Matiang'i 2027. Litangani kabisa nera tutaite korwanerera elinde lyanyora obugambi oboiga acha gokonya ensi yeito ya Kenya.
Amen. Omwaira ni goro ndaburi abantu bonsi kubwate kura kiagereyo nere nkubo yogochora Burayi obuya.
Olio tarabwata ekura koranje obwate. Amen. Otebya abana bawo nyomba babwate chikura. Otebimoka bakaba muraba baino babwate chikura. Baro bakwobwa nga yaya tinda amanyereria batebinga baikire babwate kura becha gotokonya 2027. Bana baito mbaro batabwate ibibande batei babwate ibibande bandekera babwatire ibibande ebyo babwate kura.
Ko reporteri getaseni gen Soko TV nchereta na Apollinaris akama.
Asense muyende omugavara gwe county ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja nigorera ikabusi gwe committee yechibesa ya senate irikwireneria maborio igoro obotumeki bwechibesa inse oburayi bwaye egati amaborio eraneria ya nalia akorwa inse omurubero umanyekaine buna public procurement and regulatory authority buna ekobwatia.
And they received it and we explained the matters raised. The county's position is that the allegations are not true. The financial capacity requirements and the NCA registration requirements contained in tender listed were based on the nature, scope, complexity and risk associated with the procurement and were included in the tender document to ensure that only qualified and capable bidders participated in the process. Section 74 of Public Procurement and Asset Disposal Act 2015 requires tender documents clearly specify the evaluation criteria and methodology to be applied in the procurement process. Further, Section 82 of the Act provides the evaluation and comparison of tenders shall be undertaken using the procedures and criteria set out in the tender documents. The evaluation committee applied the criteria uniformly and consistently to all bidders as contained in the tender document. The requirement for NCA registration was included to ensure compliance with the applicable legal and regulatory framework governing construction works and was not intended to discriminate against any bidder. It's a requirement that we always have. The county therefore maintains that the procurement process was conducted in accordance with the law, the tender document and the principles of fairness, transparency and competitiveness.
Mr. Chairman, you couldn't have put it better. This presentation by the governor is fairly technical, and therefore we also need our technical people, as you have said, to analyze and give us a briefing. But that notwithstanding, Governor, my interest is drawn to page 5 of your document, where you are accused of mutilating the standard tender document. That is tender number NCC Environment ONT 006-2025-26. Your response is that that is not true. If you go to page 6, in the second paragraph, this part, which ones belong to political players? I'm alive to the fact that the law does not prohibit.
Asense mwende chinga kia serikali agendera toko mochigwa ase ogotane kibuno muruberi bwo chenu manyekani na sha nkuruoro bokoreri obwikana ngo chiase abakenya nigengusana na yaene kiwasi nyagitari ya Ruiru level 4 chinga kio mabunge bwense moye bunge ya tika Alice Ng'ang'a aikara nase nyagitari yeyo iri gwakanira abangine 24 abo bagonkia korende batangire ase ogotaka nisira ya nyagitari abangine abo ni gobono batangirwa ase gikakimeti nyegati ye3 weika 5 nomo.
Municipal manager yangu municipal manager
ni kulipia watu.
I agree.
Elfu mia tatu.
I agree.
760. Hii ni rekodi yako.
The county government has got an arrangement, and I know we are going to settle that. So please, so that we don't have a conflict.
No, okay. Then do me a favor. Do me a favor. See, these people are here. Are these ladies going to go home today?
Yes.
They are going.
Yes.
Let us talk.
Yeah.
How long have they stayed here?
Now that is the history that we want to go from and get from the Metro
Allow me
office.
to pay for these ladies. They go home.
No, we agree. But please
allow
us,
me.
and we appreciate your help.
Let me ask you, municipal manager, because I'm not removing anybody who came yesterday, anybody who came last week.
Yes.
I am not interested. The hospital is big.
You see,
I'm not interested with those one. The lady who called me last night, she has been here for 2.5 months. I am here because of that one lady. Then I ask, are you the only one who is there? No, we are 24. And then I have this record. If this record is not, this record is Ruiru Level 4 Hospital, bill cases from January 2026 to June 2026. So, municipal manager, wamama ndio hawa.
Follow the protocols of the hospital.
Wamama ndio hapa.
Protocols on how they came in and how they discharged. We don't just
no, but municipal manager,
we can't do that.
No, you cannot. I don't want you to discharge before I pay. I am here to pay.
Yes.
They called me to pay. Now, treat them right now. They are my family, because if at all they had family, if they had people who were supposed to have taken care of them, I could not be here, my dear. My municipal manager, if you had done that, I could not be here today. So allow the mothers to go home. Surely, ni wamama wetu. Hawa ni wamama wetu. Ni wamama. Hapana, basi nataka kulipa hii bill.
Wanaachilia jana.
Yes, I do. I believe in protocols. Yeah.
Yamana soko choren soko TV bore somo gusina boyo kubwatia maya senchira yowe karanu yense moya boro botuka sabaro niko tokora siumiri chiduka na nyuma yogo siumiri chiduka ningera nena yanda mange toskare ne TV yao.
Eye Nensoko TV. Oboroso bumugusi.
Buya kegemo mwancho muligari bwa Nsoko TV asoko igoro murangu na gutwanchira goswa enka yawe mambi yabono.
Buya kegemera inde aso twanchira ko bari yogiritanga ni kwegure nyumba mwago emambiye.
Nsoko bwa kiro mwancho muligari ncheni Innocent Onyango.
Diana Ndem.
Togenda se gazeti ya The Daily Nation asbago tebanga ikiama gyo DM ge kwamba kororekananga gatigati yayo mwatikano nororo ikiama gitamanyikana tigo sekere serikali kubwatira serikali asomo secretary general sokiri na kugikiria serikali ngichwera kwa nigorengani
Raila puppet or ODM lepo matoyo Edwin Sifuna ole secretary general ya ODM secretary general ya rogo saidi kurwe binto kurwe kitapa kerege lakini nkoire ni mahega kego omuntu mato gukurageria sese ya ukagari egere koge mutuko
Chinchira chito chigekoro nigo chirasoko goselwa konene gosiriwa ne chinchira chekerero ekira kikiagere Nsoko TV twachire guturigesa ku kyomugusi kurwa soko limera asendiba y'abanyandwarero
oboroso bomugusi boigekerwe omugusi bono ne chinjira cyago goikaransanse na kubeke TV yawo kwene kingangwe somye uregekoro kyomugusi
wetro murobiryo bwigekoro byito hasi tokomera nabaga kaba Samuelere naboigabange nabanyika irigo kwanero kwebogia chindagira amasikani chinyangi nemejiga ao yumugusi
kera lituko ri aramisi chinsa ibere igoro imeye TV yawo na mbe Nsoko TV
na Stephen Nyarike Mbunde tolende ekimira
eye Nsoko TV oboroso bumugusi
yegoro yeito imeye Nsoko Nsoko yegoro yeito imeye Nsoko Nsoko ibiengia Tire ngumanga bunaleo.
Je, una ndoto kufanya kazi ughaibuni? Mwakala wa ALM tutakuwezesha kutimiza ndoto yako. Tunatoa ajira katika nyanja mbalimbali kwenye mataifa ya Qatar, Milki za Kiarabu, Saudia, Bahrain, bara Europa, miongoni mwa mengine.
We are legally registered by the National Employment Authorities and we are licensed to do manpower recruitment for different countries. Currently we are reaching companies in UAE, in Qatar, Russia, and we are hoping to enlarge our boundaries.
Kwa maelezo zaidi, wasiliana nasi kwa nambari 0721151500 au 0729690571 au unaweza kutembelea katika ofisi zetu zilizopo jijini Nairobi katika jumba la Delta House, orofa ya pili, chumba nambari 204 katika barabara ya University Way.
Tupigie simu utimize ndoto yako ya ng'ambo. Karibuni sana.
Eje Nensoko TV. Uboroso bw'umugusi.
Karibu mwaligereria eritare kwa manyamange ase obotuko bwa bono bosio bwo bachorio barene bwo mwaka ugocha muraiwe kiama kya DCP Rigathi Gachagua nigaruro kubore gochia saba menye borogongo rwa Mount Kenya gotumeka omubaro olia babwato monene wabachikura erio gochikoreta mu nchirilio na gotoriense ya Kenya ase nkwane yaye nigo aerere buna onye keguchia kobetereri barabwo bunigesa kugosira umuntu mungawe isiko yegesa kukyo mwikoyo erio komorusia abisi omurayi orabisi boniga William Samuel Ruto nigo baguchia kurwa ogosira kwabo guchia se oyo.
William Ruto alisema siku moja, and I want to paraphrase what he said. Akasema nyinyi shida na Wakikuyu kama sisi wa Kalenjin. Inafika pahali unatofautisha maneno. Unatafuta serikali kwanza ndio ikusaidie mbele. Na ndio ilifanyika, alitafuta serikali ndio waangaishe watu ya Mlima Kenya. Si anawaangaisha? Na sisi tunasema hakuna mtu wako na shida na sisi kama huyu William Ruto. Kwa sababu anatuhangaisha. So inafika pahali tutofautisha maneno. Kama itabidi tuondokee mwingine ndio aende nyumbani, tutaondokea. Alafu tutapangana mbele. Tumekubaliana watu wetu. That is what we'll be doing here for the next 42 days. And at the end of the 42 days, we'll have an agreement of the way forward. And then we shall reach out to the rest of the country. Na sisi sio wa kabila. Huyu William Ruto tukimchagua alikuwa anaitwa Kamau? Alikuwa anaitwa Karanja? Alikuwa anaitwa Mutuma? Alikuwa anaitwa Njeru? Si alikuwa ni Kipchirchir? Mbona anasema sisi ni wa kabila? And the same way tuliunga mkono. Tunaweza unga Wafula. Si ndio? Yeah. Tunaweza unga Mwende. Si ndio? Si ndio? Sisi. Hajui sisi vizuri. He doesn't know us. Yeah? Si ndio? Sisi. Hata Odhiambo tunaweza unga mkono. Si ndio? Kwani iko nini? Hata Nyambane. Si ndio? Si ndio? Hata Oleseki. Si ndio? We are the same people. Na hakuna bahali tumeenda, tuko tu hapa. We'll move with the rest of Kenya. Na sisi ndio tutasaidia wa Kenya kukomboa nchi hii. And we must use our numbers, which are the largest in the country, to liberate this country. Si ndio? Si tutaokoa hii Kenya? Yeah, tutaokoa Kenya. Na we have a responsibility. Mungu alifanya tukue wengi ndio tusaidie Kenya. Na lazima tutumie hizo numbers kuokoa Kenya. So I want to tell my colleagues huko nje wale wanatafuta hii viti kubwa. Mrelax. Wacha niongee na watu yangu. Si ndio? Mnyinyi mkae tu mngoje. Wacha niongee na watu yangu tuelewane. Then hapo mbele tutapangana vile tutakaa.
Goska musio goska bosio umrai we kiama kia PLP Martha Karua mugabara we county ya James Orengo boigona babwata ni bande abakwegerera obwene wa mwanya bantu nigo baruro kubore gokia serikali ku register kia 25 cy'umutenyo yega ogatano narimo koba umutimoko eri kubanyura basaya bubasire cy'ubugimenga kibare kwamereria umuswada bw'ekibese bu mwaka bw'ekilifu 2024 nigo bayakwana ya chinga kibaikira nase nyumba ya jogo eri yokumumanya omonene b'abanyanyimbo igoro yokorobekana kwa murembe ukukora kwa tariki ya 25 mutenyo yega ogatano narimo.
My name is Caroline Duku Mutisia, mother to Erickson Chalo Mutisia. Mimi nataka kusema hivi, tumesema ni asante, petition yetu imechukuliwa na tutakuwa sawa tarehe 25. So we'll march to honor our children.
Kwa majina Jacinta Nyango, Mama Kennedy Onyango. Mimi ningeomba hiyo tarehe ikuwe holiday. Miaka na miaka, June 26 naomba ikuwe holiday ya mashujaa ya watoto wetu. Na tunaomba hiyo siku tafadhali, askari, serikali tafadhali wasiue watoto wetu tena. Wasitumie tear gas. Tumekuja na upole, sio maandamano lakini makumbusho. Na makumbusho lazima tufanye maandamano ili tukumbushe walikufa juu ya maandamano.
We were here escorting the parents of the Gen Z who were killed on 25th June 2024. I'll say some of the parents because it's not all who are here. And all they are asking in their petition, giving a notification that there will be a public procession on that day, asking for support from all Kenyans to participate in the 47 counties in the remembrance of their fallen children. As leaders, we are out here with them, pledging to be with them, and urging the police to respect the Constitution and the rule of law.
I want to say that we supported the mothers to present a petition. That petition has been read. The context in which this petition has been presented is that police killings and brutality are continuing, abductions are continuing, extrajudicial killing is continuing, and that is why it is crucial that we have the 25th and the 26th of June as a memorial to those who were brutally killed and murdered and those who were injured. Therefore, I appeal to all Kenyans that let's stand in solidarity with the mothers, with the fathers, with the relatives, or those are sons who were fallen 2 years ago. As you have heard, we have asked the state to declare the 25th to be a public holiday, but I want to say, because Kenyans are sovereign, the 25th shall be a public holiday. We don't need to beg for permission. There is also a demand for an apology. That apology must come quick and fast before the 25th of this year.
Ebunge ya Senate nigo yagokere ekerengo g'ekibese kikaunti kirachie ko kwenyorera su mwaka w'ekibese bw'ekilifu 2025 na 2052 ekyokere kibilioni kimenya 2023 asenkwane abo ime ebunge ya Senate nigo abagavana baburiwe gutumeka ebese iyo asenchira erengia erigwikirania amagendero ase kikaunti kinga kibono banchiranire nekerengo ekyokiebesa na kumusaba mu waziri w'ekiganche kenene ko ene kibuna kibese icho nkubwatuko kire ase engaki
and budget on the county government's equitable share cash disbursement schedule for the financial year 2026-2027 laid on the table of the Senate on Thursday 18th of June, and that pursuant to section 17(7) of the Public Finance Management Act and Standing Order number 189.3 of the Senate Standing Order, the Senate approves the county equitable share cash disbursement schedule for the financial year 2026-2027. Mr. Speaker, sir, this is a fairly straightforward report. Having passed the county allocation of revenue bill yesterday, the next procedural step is to pass the cash disbursement schedule, which takes monies to our counties. Mr. Speaker, sir, this is a very crucial report which guides the CS Finance in the disbursements of cash to our counties. On a number of occasions, there has been a delay in compliance with this schedule. Mr. Speaker, sir, I beg that the CS Finance do comply with this schedule. It's a very important document that all our counties are relying upon. Mr. Speaker, sir, I beg to move and ask Senator Eddie Okech to second.
Dora, and as long as you have passed this, Mr. Speaker, it is critical that all money that go to the counties are honored and are sent there on time. And therefore, this is the importance of the piece of legislation that we are passing here today, that the National Treasury must be able to honor. And Mr. Speaker, if you look at the schedule that has been shared, it actually articulates the amounts that are supposed to go to the counties on a regular basis. In fact, it actually puts it into a chunks of almost a monthly basis. Governors must now rise to the occasion that I know people are going to the election, and I know some governors will start using excuses around things like imprest to be able to take these monies from the counties. We must stand firm that the monies we have sent to the county must be used the right way, because we have done our work. Even as we go on recess, we have sent our monies to the counties. We have put the framework, the legal framework, to ensure that the National Treasury will be giving money to the counties on time. The biggest task now is for the common man.
Ayes 31 votes, nays 0, abstention 0. So the ayes have it.
Magiga ya serikali gwetero murai wese William Samuel Ruto kora omuroberio omutangani gwokora na chibesa gukia sabasaye gwetera omuroberio umenyekaine muna nyota nigo ebese yibono era chiku chaka kwena no sentunda yende ya kabirego cha kristari kemeronggebere na isano nebere cyo mutienyoyo muri kyo monene utinita mangana yabasaye mense Fikren Jacobs nigo airere muna ekerenge kenene no kwene kimuna basaye tibari gotigara magiga korende nkogendere libare ase uboncherere ne chinse mochinde gwetera asa mwagerio ayuba konyora inse.
We shall move to every county to ensure that we engage young people, either through the umbrella of ICGLR or through the State Department for Youth Affairs and Creative Economy, through Viva or some of the projects, through Nyota and a lot of the programs that we have. And also, one thing I've appealed, just as a reaction to all the issues that the young people have raised, I think the country is very determined to give the young people of Kenya an ear and a practical solution to what can be done so that our young people can be at a good place. TVET education. TVET education is one of the low-hanging fruit to address issues of unemployment of our young people. Because of the modularization program which was introduced, right now a young person in Kenya can go to a TVET and do one module and get a certificate for that and go attach himself somewhere, awaiting maybe to get something again to come and continue. We have the Nyota program. Nyota program is targeting 820,000 young people across the country. And this is the most equitable program that I've seen in the history of this country, especially to the young people, because young people have equal chances, regardless of where they're coming from, whether they're minorities, where they're marginalized, they have equal chances to belong to this project. And as a result, I know His Excellency the President was in this region in Eldoret for the disbursement of the first tranche of 25,000 to the beneficiary of the business support, and on 27th, the done nationally. But this time, we will not require the young people to assemble at different places. It will be done nationally so young people can continue with their businesses. But I am very happy with the class and the crop of the young people that we have, because a majority of, at least 99.99% of them, who are mentored and who are assessed, proved beyond any reasonable doubt that they spent the 25,000 properly in doing business, contrary to naysayers who had predicted and pessimists who had predicted that these young people will spend the money and go away. These young people invested, and I know even the second will go away in helping them invest better and more, so that they can change the course of economy of this country by expanding the base, or especially of our MSME sector. We'll also do the on-the-job experience, still part of it, the recognition of prior learning, access to government procurement opportunities, social enterprises, still some of the components under Nyota. I believe it will go a long way in helping our many young people across the country.
Wetero mugano y'omunchu mulile no tuwikira omwerio asama ya yensa ya boro tukasenchira yobo ikira nukorene chinsa isato ningirane na yanda mange yandira gotengera Ensoko TV na boigo mu rubiri ura chikobwatia Eliane Ishmael Mogere wika chinsa isato nainde ngakitura umirale na inda sa yanda mange.